Hello, welcome to our new lesson. In this lesson, we are going to work on undoing, doubling, and halving. From the previous lessons, we know that to double means to multiply a number by 2. Suppose if our number is 10, when we want to double it, we multiply it by 2. So double 10 is 20. And when we want to halve a number, we want to divide it by 2. We will take the same number. When we want to find half of 10, we will divide it by 2. So 10 divided by 2 is 5. Double 10 is 20 and half of 10 is 5. This is how we can double and half. But in today's lesson, we are not going to double and half. We are going to undo, double, and half. I have 3 examples over here. The first one says, half of me is 15 and double me is 60. What number am I? What number am I? To find what number it is, we will put parentheses in place of that number and we divide it by 2 and write that the answer is 15. And to find the double of that number, we multiply the parentheses of that number by 2 and write that the answer is 60. How can we undo? To undo halving, we double the number. Or to undo doubling, we half. Half of something is 15. Now to find that number, we double the answer, which is 15. Double 15 is 30. So for sure the number is 30. And if we undo doubling, we half the result. The result over here is 60. Half of 60 is 60 divided by 2. If we divide 60 by 2, we will get 30. This is how we can undo doubling and halving. To undo halving, we double the result. To undo doubling, we halve the result. So this is how we can undo doubling and halving. Let's now move to the next example, which is example number 2. Over here it says double me is 24 and half me is 6. We will follow the same procedure we did in question number 1. Double me is 24. So double a number is 24. And half a number is 6. We use the same logic we used in question number 1. Where we had doubled, we use inverse operation and we half it. To undo doubling, we half it. Half of 24 is 12. Where we halved, we double it. To undo halving, we double it, or we double the result. Double 6 is 12. The number we didn't have is 12. And it is now clarified that the number that we didn't have, or the number which was not given, was 12. Let's move to question number 3. In question number 3, it says half me is 9 and double me is 36. So we will first write the halving operation. Half of a number is 9. A number divided by 2, the result is 9. And double of that number is 36. What number is it? Again, we undo the operation. Where we had halved, we double the result. When we double the result, when we multiply the result by 2, we will get the number which is missing. Now, 9 times 2 is 18. And to undo doubling, We half the result. Half of 36 is 18. We see that the missing number is 18, or the number that has been halved and doubled is 18. This is how we can undo doubling and halving. I hope it helps you learn something about undoing doubling and halving, and make sure to ask me if you couldn't understand any part of this lesson. And please do not forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Have a nice time and thank you so much.